Zanduco's reach-in freezers and refrigerators are excellent additions for food storage, beverages, and other ingredients while keeping their freshness at safe temperature. Featuring an automatic defrosting system, a digital control system, and hydrocarbon R290 refrigerant. The interior and exterior are both made of stainless steel with built-in lights lining the inside. Inside the unit, you will find heavy-duty PVC coated shelves that can hold up to 27 kilograms, and anything you place inside will be safe with the self-closing doors as well as the top lock mount. Zanduco's line of reach-in freezers and refrigerators operate using bottom mount compressor systems. The benefits of a bottom mount system are: the condenser operates near the floor, where temperatures can be up to 15 degrees cooler than on the top of the unit. With no ladders or supports required, servicing and cleaning the compressor is easier. With the condenser elevating the bottom of the commercial cooler's interior, the user doesn't have to stoop to access items stored there. So don't be confused by the sleek appearance. These products are packed with the features that you need for long-lasting results. For more information, visit www.zanduco.com. And don't forget to subscribe.